Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a simple 3-ingredient cocktail, the Queen Elizabeth. So back in the mid-1930s, Benedictine ran a nationwide competition to see who could create the best cocktail featuring Dom Benedictine, the herbal liqueur. This was the winner, and it's actually named after the creator's partner or wife, not the actual Queen. But I'm just going to get straight into this cocktail. It's going to be a relatively short, quick video. 3 ingredients, shaken, nice and simple. So 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of Dry Vermouth. And then 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of Dom Benedictine. So it's going to add some sweet spice to the dryness of the vermouth, and then some citrus, some fresh lime juice, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Add ice to shaker, give it a shake, and you're good to go. And into a chilled glass. I can already smell the aromatics from the vermouth and probably some of the spices from the Benedictine. So I'm actually using my finger to push the hawthorn strainer and closing the gate, as the term is known. So essentially by going like this and closing the gate, it therefore makes a tighter coil, lets less of the ice shards, or in this case, none of the ice shards through the shaker. Sorry, through the strainer. They have the Queen Elizabeth. Cheers. And this is a very low ABV cocktail. I mean, you've got this vermouth that's 17.5, Benedictine, which is 40, but it's only got 3/4 ounce, and then the lime juice, obviously, no booze there. Nice, delicate aromatic on the nose. You get some honeyed spice from that Benedictine. Oh, this is delightful. Very aromatic. It's got that honeyed sweetness that's coming from the Benedictine, and quite citrusy, but it's very... I love 3-ingredient cocktails. This is one of the reasons why. As simple as it gets, and just really, really tasty. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.